everyone. How's my kiddos out there? Welcome to Miss Deb's Story Hour. Today I'm going to start with singing the Three Little Bears song. So those of you who know that song, sing with me. Okay? Once upon a time in a wee little forest there were three bears. Chop, chop, chop. One was the mama bear, one was the papa bear, one was the wee bear. Chop, chop, chop. One day while a-walking through the deep woods a-talking, and along came a Goldilocks, and upon the door she knocked, but no one was there. No one was there. She went right in and had herself a bowl. She didn't care, no, she didn't care. When she got tired, she just went upstairs, and home came the three bears. Chop, chop, chop. Someone's been eating my porridge, said that papa bear. Chop. Someone's been eating my porridge, said that mama bear. Chop. Hey Bob, the wee bear, said the little wee bear, someone has broken my chair. Crash! And then Goldilocks woke up and broke up the story and beat it out of there. She beat it out of there. Bye-bye-bye, said the papa bear. Bye-bye-bye, said the mama bear. Hey Bob, the wee bear, said the little wee bear. So ends the story of the three little bears. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Cha! Okay, I hope you guys sang along with me. Our story today, how many of you woke up this morning to snow? I thought it was spring, but April Fools to us, we woke up with snow outside. And so I'm going to read one of my favorite books. And this is written by Karma Wilson and illustrated by Jane Chapman. You guys know what who the author is, what he does? He's the writer of the book and the illustrator. That's who drew these pictures. And our story today is Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the mighty sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Guys, snore with me. And look at, see that word right there? That's the word snores, and it's just a little snore. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs in a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Look how that word got bigger. Can you guys say that with me? But the bear snores on. Gotta make that snore a little louder. Come on, guys, make it louder. Two growling eyes sneak peep in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho," Mouse says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps. Look, it got bigger, but the bear snores on. scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew chop crunch. But the bear snores on. Did you guys say that with me this time? Look for those words. A gopher and a mole tunneled up through the floor when a wren and a raven fluttered in through the door. Mole mutters, what a night, what a storm. Twitters wren, and everyone clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear... What's he gonna do? Achoo! He blows as he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. That pepper woke him up. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. You snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he grunts, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear glumps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeps up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Thanks everyone for joining me for story time. Love y'all. Bye.